Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a biscuit train for a baby shower. We will cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final decorative touches. This delightful treat serves as both a charming decoration and a tasty dessert, sure to impress your guests. It is a wonderful way to celebrate the arrival of a new baby with a personalized, handmade touch. Get ready to bake something truly special. Before we begin baking, it is crucial to have all your supplies ready. You will need standard biscuit ingredients like flour, butter, sugar, and 1 egg. For the edible glue, prepare royal icing using powdered sugar and meringue powder. Essential tools include train-shaped cookie cutters, a rolling pin, and piping bags. Having everything organized saves time and makes the process much smoother. Now for the fun part, baking and assembly. Roll your dough to approximately 1/4 inch thick and use your train cutters. Bake these delightful shapes for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are lightly golden. After cooling completely, use your royal icing to attach the wheels to each train car. Then, carefully connect the cars to form your complete train. The final step is where your creativity truly shines. Use various colors of royal icing to decorate each train car. Add sprinkles, small candies, or even edible glitter for extra sparkle. You can personalize the cars with the baby's initial or tiny baby-themed designs. Arrange your beautiful biscuit train on a festive platter, ready to be admired and enjoyed by all your baby shower guests.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.